If Amazon does all the work, what do I do? Now you're probably thinking, okay, James. That all sounds great. But what do I actually do? As an Amazon FBA seller, you will have to pick the products. Amazon handles all the back-end work, but you need to decide what to actually sell. I'll tell you about a few different methods of selling products on Amazon in a moment. Keep inventory in stock. Amazon will let you know when inventory is running low. But it's your job to make sure that the things you sell stay stocked up. Promote and advertise. Amazon is a massive catalog of millions of products. Therefore, you'll need to do a little work to make sure people find your products. But don't worry, it's pretty easy. What does it cost to sell on Amazon FBA? Selling on Amazon FBA is very reasonable to get started with. In fact, if you're selling products that you already own, like unwanted items around the house, you can virtually do it for free. Individual and professional seller accounts. There are two types of Amazon FBA seller accounts, individual and professional. Individual seller accounts are free, but have higher sales fees. And professional accounts have a monthly subscription fee of $39.95, but lower fees. We recommend you get a professional account if you plan on selling more than 40 items per month. But if you want to start slow with only a few items, then individual may be better for you.